Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sabrina. Today I'm in the kitchen, so you already know what it is. It's cooking with Sabrina. Welcome guys, and today I'm gonna do an Italian recipe and it's called crispy chicken lemon spaghetti. So I'm gonna give you the close-up of all the ingredients that I'm gonna use, and whenever I'm doing the video, just to give you a rundown, whenever I'm doing this video, I'm gonna like take the camera and go close up so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. You won't see my face all the time. You will probably see like more of the ingredients and the food and so on. So I'm gonna do that. First of all, just let me get my apron, and then we're gonna actually do the close-up of all the ingredients, and then we're gonna go ahead. So the main ingredients that you're gonna need is the chicken and the spaghetti, and then you're gonna need your seasoning and your hard cream and so on. So I'm gonna show you like most of the ingredients now, and then you'll see like the rest of the ingredients when I'm putting them in and so on. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. So this is like most of the ingredients that I'm gonna use. I have this spaghetti. You can actually use whichever spaghetti you want. I have these, like I use like most of them, and like they're running out, so I'm gonna like put the extra amount, or maybe I'll just use out of this and then save this or something else later. And then we're gonna need our lime juice and just oil, whatever oil you have, doesn't matter. And then you're gonna need your all-purpose. You're gonna need salt, pepper. I don't normally use black pepper, but for this video I'm gonna need garlic. So I'm gonna cut these up, and I'll see you guys after that, after I finish seasoning the chicken and cutting these. First step. So here I have my water just heating up to put in my spaghetti. As soon as that water boils up, I'm gonna put in my spaghetti, and then I'm gonna let it stay for like 15 minutes. So here I have like my chicken breast, and what I did was to cut the chicken breast in two and season this out with some all-purpose Maggi season up and chicken and Maggi chicken and a big tip of black pepper. And I'm just gonna leave it right now like that while this is going on. So my spaghetti is done, guys. I'm just gonna, you need to drain the water off it. Do not leave it in the water, because it will suck the water and it's gonna take a while. You're gonna need to fry your chicken before you actually use it, so you need to drain all the water from it and have it sit aside for when you're ready to use it. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the chicken. Okay guys, it's time to prepare the chicken. So there I have my flour. Now I'm gonna go with my Parmesan. I'm gonna put a little salt to taste, pepper, then just mix up this together. There. A little oil in your pot. Not a lot, you don't need a... Your trick to this is not to have the oil too hot. You do not want to have your oil too hot. Do not make your oil too hot. You want to turn your stove down. Get off your excess. Okay guys, these look just about done. In your same pot that you just take out your butter, 2 tablespoons of butter, garlic, 2 garlic, then your lemon juice, and your heavy cream, cups. Then you're gonna put in your spaghetti. Next, you're gonna put in your anise, lime too, and your parsley, salt to taste, then your pepper. Made by Sabrina. You already know your girl gonna taste this. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Guys, just like how we look, that's how it tastes. Delicious. Oh my god, tasting good. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Cooking with Sabrina, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.